Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be decorating this diya with very easy technique. To decorate this diya, we'll be taking Fevicryl soft pearl colors and some glitter glue. So let's begin. For all the supplies, you can always get it from any stationery shop, and if you don't have any stationery shop nearby, you can always get it online. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can get it online as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.